The Income Tax Department has uncovered a major scam involving unreported high-value property transactions worth over 4,500 crore at 4 sub-registrar offices in Karnataka. These offices, Banaswadi, KR-Puram, Varthur in Bengaluru and Mysuru North, failed to report significant transactions from 2021 to 2024, despite collecting PAN details from buyers and sellers. This lapse facilitated tax evasion, as transactions exceeding 30 lakh were not disclosed to the IT department, violating reporting rules. The government is now extending the investigation to all sub-registrar offices across the state. Penal actions and prosecutions are being planned for those involved. To prevent such irregularities, the Karnataka government is working with the IT department to integrate PAN verification with the Kaveri registration portal and provide enforcement agencies with better access to transaction data. Officials have promised strict action once formal communication from the IT department is received.